Once upon a time, there was a troll village called Troll's World. One day, they were swimming all over the pool. One day, their friends came by. They're swimming. After that wasn't Biggie and Hickory, and then Cooper, and then Branch, and then Delta, and then King Lex, and Queen Barb. Yay! Now it's time to swim. But where is Poppy? Have you seen her? Look what happened. It exploded if you put the baking soda. They will have a bubble bath. Hooray! Ah! So funny, right? Look at the bubble bath! Cute? Now they're going to Babad. So they're going to soak. They're going to soak in water. Ow! Dun. And then there was Sitting Jen, Poppy, and all of the trolls swim, and one time something went wrong. There was no space to eat a troll. There's no such thing as eating a troll. That's so yucky, right? Good thinking I have goggles. If I don't have any goggles, I will never breathe. Ever and ever in my life. Did you like that, guys? Good thinking I really have goggles. So funny. Ah, biggie, and taba. So funny, right? Stop it.
Dali, careful lang. Para nakikita siya. Hindi siya nakikita.
Okay lang yun. Okay lang yun. Oh, rainbow! Let's put some more yellow here. Let's put some...
Wow! Ang kulit.
I love this pool party. Where's Princess Poppy? I cannot see anything. It's black in there. I cannot see anything because my goggles is off. Oh no, his hair, everything. I thinking we didn't get Biggie. Whoa, look at what happened to their hair. They're so beautiful. I'm thinking I'm getting a little sicky biggie. Sicky biggie? Look at Guy. Cloud Guy. She's all super duper colorful. But you know who's really the colorful one? Missy Branch. Oh, this is not Branch. Oh, branches fell off. Don't you stop it, don't you fire it. Let me hear. Time to wash Peppy's hair. Press our soap.
Likot mo naman.
Wash the paints away. This is washable paint soap. Need to cover every single...
Bakit nag-wait?
Yay! Now it's time to jump in. Slide! That was so fun. More. Too close. Yay! Now it's time to goodbye. Is it now or is it not yet? That's so funny. Now it's time to end. High five, guys. Pachoo! What do you think? I want to relax. Hickory's turn. Yippee beepee. Whoa, that was so fun. Yes, I'm so tired. I really want some drinks. Can I get some? Of course. You're a friend. Whoa, look at everyone. Look at them. There are so many bubbles in their swimming pool. I hope you enjoyed this video.